In this short video, I will be explaining the Breve and its equivalent rest. If you watched my video about note names and demi-semiquavers, then this list at the side of the screen will be familiar to you. I'm going to add another note here, the Breve, which has a value of 8. If you're more familiar with the American system of naming notes, it's also called a double whole note. Now you can see that there are two different ways of drawing the Breve. Either way is correct, but it is more common for the top symbol to be used in printed music and the bottom symbol to be handwritten. If you're writing music by hand, I do strongly recommend that you use the bottom symbol, as it is very clear what you are writing. Using the top symbol can cause confusion, as it may just look like a regular semi-breve. 4-2 is the most common time signature that you'll come across a Breve, as one Breve will fill an entire bar of 4-2. As you probably know, 4-2 means that there are 4 minim beats in a bar. If you're not sure of this, have a look at my videos on time signatures. Each minim is worth 2, so 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 equals 8, a Breve. The Breve rest looks like this. If we place it on the stave, notice how it fills the gap between two lines. It only ever sits between the same two lines, never any others. It means a complete bar's rest in 4-2. Now it's worth noting here that 4-2 is the only time signature where a complete bar's silence is represented by this symbol. In every other time signature, a complete bar of silence is represented by the semi-breve symbol. So if you ever come across a question in a music theory exam where you're asked to complete the time signature and there is a complete bar of silence with the Breve rest, the answer can only be 4-2. One final but important thing to be sure of if you're using Breves: accidentals. If you need to add an accidental, a sharp, flat, natural, or even double sharps or flats, the symbol sits outside of the lines like this. Never be tempted to place it inside of the lines like this. I do hope that this brief introduction to the Breve has been useful to you. Thanks for watching.